Tired of boring English lessons? Let's make learning fun with 10 quick and easy conversations you can actually use in real life.
Hi, I'm Aryan. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Aryan. I'm Neha. Nice to meet you too.
Are you new here?
Yes, I moved here last week.
Oh, welcome. How do you like it so far?
It's nice. People are friendly.
That's great. If you need help, just ask me.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. So, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. And you?
I'm a teacher. Maybe we can grab coffee sometime.
Sure, that would be nice.
Practice tip. Next time you meet someone new, start with, "Hi, I'm," your name, "Nice to meet you," and ask one friendly question.
Good morning. What would you like to have?
Good morning. Can I have a cappuccino, please?
Sure. Small or large?
Large, please. And a chocolate muffin.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
All right. That will be 250 rupees.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Please have a seat. We'll bring it to you.
Great. Thanks.
Practice tip. In a cafe, always start with, "Can I have," for polite ordering.
Excuse me. Can you tell me where the train station is?
Yes, go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right.
Okay, so straight and then right?
Yes, you'll see a big blue building. The station is just behind it.
Got it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a safe journey.
Practice tip: always repeat directions back to the person to make sure you understood correctly.
Excuse me, do you have this shirt in medium size?
Yes, let me check. Yes, here it is.
Can I try it on?
Sure, the fitting room is over there.
Thanks. It fits well. How much is it?
1,200 rupees.
Okay, I'll take it.
Practice tip. Use, "Can I try it on?" when you want to test clothes before buying.
Whew, is it just me? Or is the sun trying to roast us today?
Totally. I think summer came early this year.
The weather report says it's 38 degrees.
38? No wonder I feel like a piece of toast.
We should grab some cold drinks before we melt.
Yes, and maybe some ice cream too.
Deal. But you're buying if it melts before we eat it.
Then I better run fast.
Practice tip. Talking about weather is a great way to start small talk with someone.
Hello. What's the problem?
I have a stomach ache. It started this morning.
Have you eaten anything unusual?
I had street food last night.
That might be the reason. I'll give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Drink lots of water and rest.
Practice tip. Always tell the doctor when the problem started.
Hey Neha, guess what? I am planning a quick trip to Delhi next weekend.
Ooh, that sounds exciting. Are you flying or...
Nope, I am taking the train. I love watching the countryside from the window.
Nice. Let's check online for train timings and prices before you decide.
Great idea. Oh, look, there's a 7 a.m. train. Perfect for a fresh start.
7 a.m.? That's early, but you'll reach by lunch. Let's book it before it's gone.
Done. Delhi, here I come.
Practice tip. Use let's when making plans with someone.
Hi, Aryan. How's your week going?
Hey, Neha. It's been good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Listen, are you free this Saturday?
Let me think. Yes, I'm free. Why? What's up?
There's going to be a live music concert in the park. I thought it might be fun. Do you want to join me?
That sounds amazing. What time does it start?
Around 6 p.m. If you like, we can go together.
Perfect. Count me in. Should we meet at your place or mine?
Let's meet at my place. Easier for both of us.
Great. I'm really looking forward to it.
Me too. It's going to be fun. See you on Saturday.
See you, Neha.
Practice inviting a friend to an event by changing the details. For example, instead of a music concert, invite them to a movie, a wedding, or a picnic. Use the same sentence patterns. Are you free this? Do you want to come? What time does it start? Record yourself saying it and listen back to check your pronunciation and fluency.
Excuse me, could you please tell me where I can find the sugar?
Of course. It's in aisle 4, just next to the tea section.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. And where can I get the eggs?
You'll find them in the refrigerated section, right at the back of the store.
Got it. I really appreciate your help.
No problem at all. Enjoy your shopping.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too.
Try replacing the products in this dialogue, sugar, eggs, with other items like bread, milk, or rice, and practice asking the same way. Focus on using polite questions like, "Could you please tell me? Where can I find? I really appreciate your help." This helps you sound more natural and confident when speaking English in real-life situations.
Hey, Neha. How's your day going so far?
Pretty good, thanks. I just finished my morning tasks. How about you?
It's been busy, but I'm keeping up. We had a long meeting this morning.
Oh, really? What was it about?
Just project updates. Nothing too exciting. Any big plans after work?
Not really. I might cook something special and watch a movie. What about you?
Sounds nice. I'll probably just relax and read a bit.
That's a great way to end the day.
Try changing the situation. Instead of after work plans, ask about weekend plans or lunch plans. Swap morning tasks with something from your own work or study life. Practice giving short but clear updates on your day, just like in this dialogue. Example, "It's been hectic, but I'm managing. Pretty quiet today, actually."
That's it for today. Now, here's your task. Listen to this video, pause after each line, and repeat aloud. Do this at least 3 times so you'll fully understand how to speak in these situations. The more you repeat, the more natural your English will become.
Thanks for watching. You're amazing for learning with us. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep shining.